Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a mini brow tutorial for you guys. This will be my first ever brow makeup tutorial. As you guys know, my brows are microbladed or tattooed, however you want to call it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also too, make sure you turn on your notifications so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I created my brows whenever I do my makeup, please stay tuned and keep watching. First, starting out, you can see here that I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro-conceal in the shade Cool Tan to sculpt out my brows. But first, I'm going to use my MAC brow pencil in the color Spiked. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the line of my brows that's been tattooed in, top and bottom. And then, as you can notice, towards the end of the brow, I go in a little darker because that's where I lack hair from over tweezing. And then towards the top, middle, that's where you can see I have a little bit of hair left. I'm just going to tweeze, follow that top line of my tattoo and just fill it in lightly. Okay, so here I'm just going to use a MAC spoolie to go against the grain of my brows and brush my brows back the opposite way and up and down, just to smooth out the pencil in the brow so it doesn't look so harsh, and it'll look more seamless. Next, I'm going to take a MAC 212 flat definer brush to sculpt out my brows. And I'm going to use LA Girl's Pro-conceal in the shade Cool Tan. And you can already see the difference between my two brows, the one that's just tattooed and the one that has been filled in. I'm just going to take that flat definer brush and clean up underneath my brow with a very thin line. I don't like to use a lot of product underneath my brow or to sculpt out my brows. And just going to take a little bit of that, follow the pattern, clean it up, whatever needs to be cleaned up slowly, and I'm going to bring that down using very little product. Next, I'm going to use a Morphe M441 Pro blending brush to blend out that concealer, make sure it's seamless. Okay, so for the top of my brows, I'm going to repeat the same steps as I did to clean up underneath my brows. Here, I'm still using the Cool Tan Pro-conceal by LA Girl Cosmetics. Sometimes I use this color on top as well, or I'll just use my foundation to clean up on top. Either way, it's fine. Just make sure, yeah, that one thing I forgot to mention is just to make sure that your concealer is not too light for your skin. Make sure that it's only like a shade or two lighter, not 3 to 5 shades lighter. Okay, so that way it'll be a nice little highlight. And you just pull that out, and then again I'm going to do the same thing as I did underneath. I'm going to go back in with that Pro blending brush and just blend all those harsh lines away. brows completed. So next I'm going to go ahead and work on the other brow off camera, and I'll be right back. Voila, here is the finished product. You can see here that I have both brows completed. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you learned a lot. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.